So if you're looking for your serial number, the first place to look, right there on your data tag. Now, if you have an older Hyster, that data tag might be long gone, might be beat up, you can't read it. If that's the case, there are a couple other spots that your serial number is stamped onto the actual forklift. One of the more common places is right underneath here, driver's right side footwell. You undo these bolts here. You undo these bolts here. Pull this little cover off, and then it'll be stamped right onto the actual frame of the forklift. Keep in mind that with your Hyster, this is going to be a physically stamped serial number in the frame. So as you can see from the example on screen right now, this has been painted over at least once from the factory, but in your case it may have been painted a couple times. So if you kind of see the indentations of where the serial number is, you might have to take like a wire wheel to it to be able to fully read that serial number. So keep this in mind when searching for it. If your forklift's been painted a couple times, it might be a little bit obscured and hard to read unless you clear off that paint. Another common spot are behind the tires on the frames. And some trucks are on the front, some they're on the back. You kind of got to get a flashlight in there, and it'll actually be physically stamped into the frame.